Hey guys, welcome back to my official YouTube channel Beauty and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to tell you 11 ways to stay motivated and achieve your goals. So let's start it. How to stay motivated is so incredibly important when it comes to getting what we want in the long term. And in a world with more distractions than ever before, from non-stop web access to constant texting, it can be all the harder to stay focused and productive and not just give into what is easier in the moment. Here is my first point. Don't assume only money will motivate you. Many people think money alone will be enough to motivate them, and it may do so initially. But it is very hard to sustain financial motivation if the work you are doing actually drags. If you do that type of work for long enough, you will find that no amount of money is worth swapping parts of your life in activities that are not aligned with who you are and what truly is your passion and mission in life. So first thing, be true to yourself. Here is second point. Make sure they are your goals. One of the biggest challenges in staying motivated and sticking to our goals is in making sure that the goals we have set are ones we really want to attain. Sometimes we set goals based on what we think we should do, or just by simply we base them on what other people say. Make sure you are going after something that you want and makes you happy. It can make all the difference. Here is third point. Visualize the results. Yeah, it is very important to visualize the end result and what it will feel like when you are achieved your end goal. This means visualizing the sweat on your back, the feeling of relief, the utter excitement. This is what will fuel you on days when you don't feel like working. Here is fourth point. Breaking your goals down into smaller, more task-oriented goals and set target deadline for those tasks. Let me give you an example. If your goal is reorganize your entire closet, start by saying, first I am going to tackle the shoes, then the belts, then the winter coats in the back, etc. This method can make even the biggest task feel more manageable. Here is fifth point. Tap into other people's energy. Do you have people in your life who can engage in stimulating conversation about business or the other things that you are passionate about? If yes, then it is the biggest thing. Always surround yourself with positive thinkers who emanate positive energy. As human beings, we give and receive energy and inspiration. Make sure you are receiving as much or more than you are handling out. Here is sixth point. Get organized. Take time to sit down and organize your thoughts. Make sure that when you are working on a big project, nothing zaps your energy more than an overstimulated, cluttered mind. So sit down and move the process from your head to an actual organized list, or talk out what you are thinking with a trusted friend. Then schedule specific times to complete each task. This is key to getting what you want. Here is seventh point. Keep the big picture in mind. One of my favorite YouTube personalities stressed the importance of keeping your top tier goal in mind at all the times, even when doing the less pleasant, more menial tasks related to it. If you are having a week when you're not motivated to the work, you remember, make sure that your goal is not about finishing the work. Your goal is about something bigger, and don't worry about what you can't. So if you often find yourself paralyzed with what if I do so, or what if I make this video and no one watch it, what if I don't get accepted into the program, etc., etc. Let it go. Just focus on turning out quality work. Here is ninth point. Seek out positive information. Reading or listening to positive information every single day is really important. If you fill your mind with uplifting and inspiring information, it will keep you motivated. Just go to the bookstore or library today and find at least one book on a positive topic that will give you a boost. You need constant reminders telling you that you are capable of achievement. Here is 10th point. Remind yourself why you set the goals. When things feel overwhelming, just take a few moments to sit back and remind yourself Why you choose your path in the first place? Was it because you know your end goal would lead to long-term happiness, even if it was short-term work? This can always help you find clarity in the worst moment. Here is last point. Be consistent. This is a golden rule. The importance of being consistent with your work is really important. Take consistent action every single day. This means that even if you are totally not in the mood, do one small proactive thing that will move you towards your ultimate goal. Even if it is just a tweet, staying motivated is absolutely within your reach. It is often just about keeping your end goal in mind and breaking down the larger end result into manageable smaller steps. Always remember, you can do it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and share it with others. Thank you.